Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2026 Honda Odyssey? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your minivan electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine Compartment Fuse Box. The 2026 Honda Odyssey Engine Compartment Fuse Box A is a vital component that manages and protects the vehicle's electrical systems. It contains high-capacity fuses and relays responsible for safeguarding key functions, such as the engine, cooling fans, lighting, and charging system. Designed to withstand heat, moisture, and vibrations in the engine bay, it ensures reliable performance under all driving conditions. Its organized layout allows for quick identification and replacement of fuses, making maintenance and troubleshooting more convenient while keeping the vehicle's electrical system safe and fully operational. The 2026 Honda Odyssey Engine Compartment Fuse Box B serves as an additional electrical control hub, supporting secondary circuits such as auxiliary power, HVAC systems, and advanced driver assistance features. It is engineered with durable, heat-resistant materials to withstand the high temperatures and vibrations of the engine bay. Driver's Side Interior Fuse Box. The 2026 Honda Odyssey Driver's Side Interior Fuse Box A is designed to protect and manage many of the vehicle's interior electrical components and convenience features. Located beneath the dashboard on the driver's side, it contains fuses for systems such as power windows, door locks, interior lighting, instrument controls, and other cabin electronics. Its clearly organized layout makes fuse identification and replacement straightforward, helping simplify maintenance and troubleshooting. By safeguarding sensitive electrical circuits from overloads and short circuits, this fuse box plays an important role in ensuring the reliable operation of the vehicle's interior functions. The 2026 Honda Odyssey Driver's Side Interior Fuse Box B serves as a secondary interior electrical distribution center, protecting additional cabin-related systems and advanced electronic features. It houses fuses for components such as driver assistance technologies, infotainment functions, climate control circuits, and other accessory systems, depending on the vehicle's trim level and equipment. Conveniently positioned within the driver's side interior area, it allows for easy access during inspections and maintenance. The 2026 Honda Odyssey Driver's Side Interior Fuse Box B protects key interior and electronic systems like infotainment, climate control, and driver assistance features while preventing electrical overloads. Rear side interior fuse box. The 2026 Honda Odyssey rear side interior fuse box is designed to manage and protect electrical circuits located in the rear cabin area, including power outlets, rear climate controls, seat adjustments, and entertainment systems. Positioned conveniently near the rear passenger area, it allows for easy access when inspecting or replacing fuses. By organizing and safeguarding these circuits, the fuse box ensures that all rear cabin electronics operate reliably, prevents damage from electrical overloads or short circuits, and contributes to the overall safety and comfort of passengers throughout the vehicle. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.